So the next one we have is an inflatable sensory cushion, which I have here. So there are two sides to this. There's this really bumpy side, which can be really alerting for some kids. Some kids love the bumps. They can kind of also feel it with their fingers when they're sitting on it. And then there's the smooth side. So sometimes kids don't like the bumps right against their body. It's a little too much stimulation, so they can sit on the smooth side. So it's a really similar idea to the therapy ball in that it can be placed on top of a chair to sit on, and you can kind of wiggle back and forth, again, engaging those core muscles, but it can be a little bit more portable. You can adapt any chair with it, and so that's also helpful if the therapy ball isn't quite the right height for a desk or for the child due to their height. You can use these on any chair, which is really great.
Yeah. I think those are really great. I use those all the time. And actually, a cheaper alternative that I've recommended to families, or just more ease of access. Right now, we're entering summer, so beach balls are coming out. What I've had families do, you don't blow it up all of the way, just enough to where, again, you can see me moving it. They still get a little wiggle out of it, wiggle cushion. $1, $2. And I've had some families I've recommended these to, and they're great. And even if you think they're going to pop, I haven't had one pop, but even if they do, it's just another $1, $2 replacement. So it's a really good alternative. Same concept, but just a little cheaper, easier access sometimes. So.